Deligreen Power introduces the Mason battery kit, a way to build your own storage that puts you in control. We provide two different choices to suit your needs and accommodate your space. You can select from our horizontal rack mounting design or the portable tower on wheels. Both choices offer comparable battery space. Equipped with a monitoring LCD, it offers real-time updates about your condition of your battery, assisting you in handling your energy consumption. It includes all accessories down to the last screw, meaning you won't have to worry about missing parts or additional purchases, making the setup process even more straightforward. The kit comes with an integrated battery management system that enhances longevity and performance by providing optimal energy management and protection. Make use of a variety of communication ports including CAN, RS485 and Bluetooth. They provide versatile connectivity options, making it easy to integrate the system into various systems and platforms. We provide a decade-long warranty, offering you assurance and safeguarding your investment for 10 years. Deligreen Power, based in China, specialises in providing prismatic and cylindrical lithium rechargeable batteries that cover a wide range of energy demands. Our mission is to energise the world one battery cell at a time.